Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today my new parts came in for my brooder repairs. In this video, I'm going to be repairing 2 trucks, and also I'm going to be opening up a new flatbed low loader trailer. Now, the reason for me doing this way is because we're eventually going to make the old trailer that is sitting over here, and this that's attached to this dump truck, into a cargo trailer. So, first we're going to pull out the low loader trailer. And now we're going to pull out the parts that we're going to use to repair the truck. Alright, so first things first, we need to open this. Well, that didn't do like I thought it would do, but that's alright, because I can always get the other pieces. Alright. Where'd that visor go? Cut the video. Alright, so now let's get fixing. This visor actually broke off of the truck about a month ago when I was trying to move it around to get some work done. Let's see, I think this is the right way. Yeah, it is. Okay, that just snapped right on. Now we're going to repair. Actually, now we're going to move this one.
You don't want the smokestacks?
No, we're not. We're not going to need those. And up next we have this. We're going to need the visor for. This has been without a visor for a while. I just hadn't gotten around to replacing it. Alright, we're not going to need the smokestacks for this one either. And now, the time has come to where we are going to get the new low loader trailer and put the ramps and stuff on. And we are going to put it on this matte granite cab right here. So, let's open this. It looks like I didn't need the drawbars and all the extra pieces, so I'm gonna have to take those back in my room and put them in the special attachments container. I got drawbars and everything. Nice. Okay. Hardest thing is getting this plastic off of here. Now, let me get the other pieces out that we need. Here's the other drawbar. And here are the ramps. Cut the video. Alright. Now, that's one ramp. The tricky part about putting these ramps on the trailer is getting the hinges properly lined up. That's ramp number 2. Alright, now we're going to fold these up now that they're properly installed. And we're going to turn this around this way. Actually, no, we're not, because it'll work better this way. Alright, now I'm gonna install this strap. Now this is a special modification that I made to these trailers so that I can carry my heavy equipment. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you in the next video.